Hello! In this video I will show you how to hard reset your device to recovery mode on REALME 14. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select, so move to English and then press power button and then click on format data. Now you have to enter your verification code and then click format. Then click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.